Last year, I was eagerly waiting for a birthday and thinking about it as my big day. I visualized and wished to get a big surprise birthday party like all other kids. But can you guess what was the most important part of the birthday? Exactly, the gifts, and especially my dad's gift. Who I invite? I invited all of my friends in class who lived in Dubai. They were all of my age, 10 years old. And in addition to my parents and my 3-year-old brother, including myself, Muhanad. The big day arrived. I had a beautiful party with the Fortnite team. We celebrated and had fun. And at the end, I started opening the gifts. I was really happy until my dad approached me and whispered in my ear, "I bought you the Raptor toy, the one that you wanted, but I'm sorry it didn't arrive yet because I ordered it online." I was really thrilled to know that I would receive my Raptor toy. I was excited to have it and play with it. But I was incredibly sad and disappointed because of its late arrival. I'm curious as to how it's with you. So I thought to myself, what is the solution to a problem? Why don't we employ drones if there is no one to deliver my package? It is quicker and simpler. Well, you might be asking, what is the underlying mechanism? It will work autonomously by retrieving the address and send mail and other items to the right recipient using GPS. The drone will be packed with an NFC reader, as the packages will also have NFC tags that hold the information for the GPS coordinates. I thought about using it in autonomous delivery drones. It will depart from staging station, deliver the package, and get back to the station when it's done. Different functions will be used to program the drone to do a lot of things, such as flying it to a specific location through GPS. These functions can be done through high-level programming, such as Python. For those who don't know about Python, I'll tell you all about it. Python is a programming language that is easy to learn and can write all sorts of computer programs, such as games, websites, and drones. And it can be easily read and understood by humans. Moreover, the drone will have a built-in piece of box on it so that we don't get confused between regular drones and delivery drones. Drones will work on unique trajectories, such as airplanes, and will have safe landing spots, the rooftops of the buildings, so customers can pick up their packages at a specific time and day. Also, customers can track the drone's trajectory through GPS. However, for best functionality, drones require open spaces without any hanging trees, power lines, or any other obstacles. In case of bad weather conditions or emergency, drones will deliver to the nearest warehouse in a city. And then, in this case, traditional delivery will happen, where customers pick up their packages through delivery companies to keep it safe. So, by using technology, we can always find a solution to a problem. Let's use, manage, and monitor technology to its fullest potential in order to make our lives easier. It will promptly, securely, and safely transport all packages. So that means that next time my dad orders something for me, drones will take care of it and deliver it to me on time. Thank you.